Hello everyone, I'm going to show you a live demo of how our application Lead Manager Ninja works with AI for a seamless chatbot experience. We have integrated our in-house Mind AI Ninja chatbot that takes information from your business and accordingly replies to customer queries. For the demo, we have created a Ksolves customer support bot that we are going to integrate with our Salesforce environment. Here we have two options to upload the information, either adding some attachments or files via this drag and drop component or using some website pages. Let's try adding a website page. For now, we are adding the Salesforce services page of Ksolves into the web URL to extract the data. That's it. You can add as many as pages you wish to our AI chatbot. The AI bot will accordingly reply to the queries of the customers by going through each of the documents and resources that you have provided. Let's jump onto the Salesforce demo. Here you can see our homepage of the Lead Manager Ninja application. We have all the dashboard and analytics over here by default. You can add some custom reports according to your business requirements. Now going to all open leads, we can see we have a total of 22 leads in the system. Now, in any case, a customer is going to message us via SMS or WhatsApp on our number that is listed on our website or anywhere else. As you can see, as soon as the customer has messaged us, the message is visible in Salesforce and a new lead has been already created. Also, you can see the name of the lead has already been taken from the name of the WhatsApp profile of the customer. You do not need to add this name manually. You can also notice the AI bot has already replied to the customer. Let's ask something related to Lead Manager Ninja. As soon as the message is sent and received onto the Salesforce platform, our AI chatbot processes the application message and replies to the customer accordingly. You can see the reply of the customer chatbot from our application. Let's ask, what is a unique feature of WhatsApp in Lead Manager Ninja? You can again see the message has been received onto the Salesforce platform, and the AI chatbot has again accordingly responded. As you already know, the Lead Manager Ninja is equipped with direct integration of Meta for WhatsApp. Hence, you can see the response of the AI chatbot from the resource that we just provided. You can similarly ask as many questions, and the bot will respond according to the information that is stored on its platform.